Yellowstone that if it erupts in a maximum eruption called Category 8, it could literally tear the guts out of the United States of America.
Yellowstone has always been a hotbed of excitement, drawing in hordes of tourists with its jaw-dropping attractions. But now, there's an extra reason to be careful while you explore. World-renowned physicist Michio Kaku just dropped a major announcement. Yellowstone is finally erupting in 2023, and it might just destroy the entire thing.
This restless Yellowstone caldera is truly living, breathing. Every once in a while it burps.
Join us as we dig deeper into Michio Kaku's announcement and what it means for the future of the national park and the Earth as a whole.
A Yellowstone super-eruption would indeed be a catastrophic event with far-reaching consequences. While it's true that scientists are closely monitoring the Yellowstone caldera and have advanced technology to detect warning signs, predicting volcanic eruptions with precision remains a significant challenge. In the event of such a catastrophic eruption, the immediate vicinity of Yellowstone would be devastated, and the effects would extend far beyond the park's borders. The impact on the region, the United States as a whole, and even the global climate would be profound. Efforts to prevent or mitigate the catastrophic consequences of a supervolcano eruption are indeed complex and fraught with uncertainties. One proposed approach, such as NASA's concept of drilling into the supervolcano, highlights the enormity of the challenge and the speculative nature of these strategies. While such interventions are born out of a genuine concern for the potential devastating impacts of a supervolcano eruption, they are far from guaranteed solutions. The concept of drilling into a supervolcano to release pressure and potentially reduce the likelihood of an eruption is a daring idea that underscores the need for innovative thinking in the face of existential threats. However, it also raises significant questions and concerns. One primary concern is the inherent risk associated with such an intervention. Drilling into a supervolcano involves penetrating the Earth's crust to access the magma chamber below. This process poses inherent dangers, including the potential for unintended consequences such as triggering an eruption rather than preventing one. Furthermore, the long-term effects of such interventions are highly uncertain. The complex geological and thermal dynamics of supervolcanoes make it challenging to predict how the Earth's crust will respond to human intervention. There is a genuine fear that such actions could lead to unintended and potentially catastrophic outcomes. Another aspect to consider is the scale of resources and expertise required to execute such a plan. Drilling into a supervolcano would necessitate advanced technology, substantial financial investment, and a collaborative effort on a global scale. Coordinating such an endeavor would be a significant logistical challenge in itself. Moreover, the ethical and environmental implications of tampering with natural phenomena of this magnitude cannot be overlooked. The potential consequences of disrupting the delicate balance of Earth's geology are profound, and the responsibility to weigh these risks against the potential benefits is substantial. In conclusion, while the concept of drilling into a supervolcano or other strategies to mitigate the impact of such eruptions is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to protect our planet and its inhabitants, it remains a highly speculative and risky endeavor. The uncertainties, potential unintended consequences, and the ethical considerations surrounding these interventions underscore the need for caution and thorough scientific evaluation before any such actions are pursued. It is imperative that we continue to invest in scientific research, monitoring, and early warning systems to better understand and prepare for the complex geological forces that shape our world. The importance of having comprehensive and well-thought-out evacuation plans cannot be overstated, particularly when it comes to the collaboration between government agencies, scientists, and emergency response teams. These plans are essential for safeguarding the lives and well-being of the population, especially in regions prone to various hazards and potential disasters. While the occurrence of catastrophic events such as natural disasters, industrial accidents, or even cosmic impacts may be relatively low in probability, the consequences of not being prepared for them can be devastating. In the face of such events, a lack of preparedness can result in loss of life, injury, damage to property, and severe disruptions to communities and society at large. Government agencies play a pivotal role in coordinating and executing evacuation plans. Their responsibilities encompass early warning systems, risk assessment, communication strategies, and the allocation of resources to ensure a swift and effective response. Scientists and researchers provide invaluable expertise in assessing the risks associated with different scenarios. helping to inform decision makers and the public about potential threats. Emergency response teams, including first responders, medical professionals, and disaster relief organizations, are on the front lines when disaster strikes. They require well-defined strategies and training to efficiently manage evacuations, provide medical assistance, and offer support to affected communities. The importance of proactive planning and preparedness cannot be emphasized enough. Even if the likelihood of a catastrophic event is low, the potential consequences are so significant that it is incumbent upon society to take responsible measures to mitigate these risks. This involves developing evacuation plans that consider various scenarios, from natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods to industrial accidents and, as you mentioned, even the remote possibility of cosmic impacts. These plans should encompass clear communication strategies to ensure that residents are well informed and aware of evacuation procedures. They should also consider the logistics of transportation, shelter, and medical support to accommodate those affected. Regular drills and simulations are crucial for ensuring that everyone involved is familiar with their roles and responsibilities during an evacuation. In conclusion, having well-defined evacuation plans and strategies in place is not merely a precautionary measure. It is a moral and practical obligation. It demonstrates a commitment to the safety and well-being of the population, providing reassurance that in the face of adversity, our society is prepared to respond swiftly and effectively to protect lives and minimize harm. Surviving a potential Yellowstone super-eruption demands a coordinated global effort, marked by meticulous planning, international collaboration, and the application of cutting-edge science and technology. It's imperative, however, to maintain a sense of perspective and not succumb to unwarranted fear, as the likelihood of such an event occurring in the near future remains extremely low. Instead, the focus should be on sustained research and vigilant monitoring to enhance our understanding of the volcano's behavior and to be fully prepared should any significant changes in its activity arise. Scientific vigilance and understanding. Scientists and researchers around the world must continue their diligent work in comprehending the intricate mechanisms underlying Yellowstone's geological activity. This includes studying the behavior of magma chambers, monitoring gas emissions, and analyzing seismic patterns. The information gleaned from these studies is invaluable, as it provides vital data for accurate risk assessments and better prediction models. Advanced monitoring systems. Implementing and enhancing a robust monitoring system is crucial. This involves employing cutting-edge technologies such as satellite imagery, seismometers, and gas analyzers. These tools can detect even subtle changes in the volcano's behavior, offering early warnings of potential eruptions. Continuous upgrades to these systems ensure real-time data collection, aiding scientists in making well-informed decisions. International collaboration. Yellowstone's impact, if a super-eruption were to occur, would extend far beyond the borders of the United States. Thus, international collaboration is essential. Scientists, governments, and disaster response agencies worldwide should share knowledge, expertise, and resources. Collaborative research projects can pool global intellect, leading to a deeper understanding of supervolcanoes in general, not just Yellowstone. Emergency preparedness. Local, national, and international emergency response teams must have well-defined plans in place. These plans should include detailed evacuation procedures, communication strategies, and resource allocation protocols. Regular drills and simulations can help identify potential challenges and refine response mechanisms. Public awareness campaigns are equally vital to ensure that communities know what to do in case of an emergency. Public education and awareness. Educating the public about the geological processes, risks, and safety measures related to supervolcanoes is essential. Knowledge empowers individuals and communities to make informed decisions. By understanding the science behind these natural phenomena, people can participate actively in their own safety. Public awareness initiatives should be ongoing, emphasizing both the rarity of super-eruptions and the importance of preparedness. Policy and governance. Governments and international bodies need to establish clear policies and protocols concerning supervolcanoes. This includes funding for research, disaster response plans, and international cooperation agreements. Policymakers should work in tandem with scientists and experts to create legislation that ensures the safety of affected populations and facilitates international collaboration in times of crisis. Research investment. Investing in scientific research is paramount. Adequate funding enables scientists to conduct essential studies, develop innovative monitoring technologies, and explore potential preventive measures. Government agencies, private organizations, and international bodies should allocate resources to support ongoing research efforts. In summary, while the prospect of a Yellowstone super-eruption is a serious concern, the application of science, international collaboration, and proactive disaster preparedness measures can significantly mitigate potential risks. Continued research and public education are key, ensuring that societies are well-informed, vigilant, and resilient in the face of rare but catastrophic natural events. By remaining proactive, the global community can enhance its ability to respond effectively to any future challenges posed by supervolcanoes. Thank you for watching another episode of Alizeb. While you are still here, don't forget to like and subscribe.